In Islam, modesty isn't just about clothing, it's a reflection of the heart, a powerful shield of dignity and self-respect. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Modesty brings nothing but good." Sahih Muslim. Modesty, haya, is for everyone. It's in how we speak, behave, and treat others with respect, whether male or female. True modesty protects your soul from arrogance. It teaches humility, and humility is the gateway to Jannah. Respect in Islam is core. For parents, teachers, strangers, even those we disagree with. Even a smile is charity. Hijab is not just a scarf, it's a mindset, a quiet declaration of dignity and submission to Allah. Today, modesty is often mocked, but Allah honors those who stay firm in truth, not trends. Protect your eyes, guard your tongue, walk with humility, because modesty is not weakness, it's strength in silence. Modesty is faith, respect is strength. Let the world see your values, not your vanity.